is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel और आज मेरे साथ में एक काफी confused couple season चल रहा है literally यहाँ पर. I have Karan, I have Manvi, I have Ritvik. So join me as I welcome all of them only on Zoom. First of all, काफी confusion वाला. Is it like a situationship which is happening between you all three in the show?
This, I think situationship को भी situationship हो गई है.
अच्छा.
इतना बुरा हाल.
Yeah, actually, मैं exactly वही बोल रही थी कि no, it was initially a situationship. Season 1 के beginning में, then by the end of it became like a relationship. But now where is it going?
Now it's
but
a
now it's
situationship.
situationship.
I am the situation.
अब benching हो गया है या basically कुछ और हो गया है of all you know?
देख बेंचिंग की उम्र नहीं रही कैरेक्टर्स की हमारी वरना हो जाता बेंचिंग बट हाँ वही मान लो आप वही वैसा कि ये रिया का जो कैरेक्टर है ये उसका एक पेटेंट है कि हर सीजन में एक आदमी तो रहना चाहिए बेंच पे और एक आधे घूमते रहने चाहिए.
That's literally the idea of benching, ना?
Yeah. पर
कोई एक standby
इतना confusion क्यों you know for
क्योंकि
finding love?
अगर जो मेन बैट्समैन अगर इंजर हो गया रिटायर्ड हर्ट तो बेंच वाले
और जो मेन बैट्समैन ने पूरा सीजन खेला उसका क्या?
अब इंजर हो गया तो इंजर गया 12th मैन को लाओ.
But like how many? I have to ask this question to all three of you. Why would you go back to your ex? Like, would you prefer going back to your ex? You are kind of returning to him in the
Firstly,
trailer.
that's the character. That's not me.
Yeah, but
let's
otherwise,
get that out of the way.
But
Yeah.
otherwise, would you all like prefer going back
Not
to
at
the ex?
But I think you know
Actually, it depends.
it also
Wow, see, she's completely confused.
no because I feel
She is Riya, by the way.
when the first season ended I had not become her ex. We had just ended it on a scene where
Could he be?
will
he become
she
her ex?
now leave him or will she understand or you know talk to him?
Continue with this.
Yeah.
And that is what the story starts in second season as. तो मतलब जिन्होंने फर्स्ट सीजन देखा है उनके लिए लिटरली ऐसा होगा कि इट्स अ कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ द सेम सीन.
Okay.
तो अगर इस सीजन में भी 6 एपिसोड 6 ही है ना
मैंने तो एक देखा है.
छः
मतलब हाँ तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि फर्स्ट सीजन अगर आप फर्स्ट सीजन से लगाओगे ना तो आपको लगेगा 12 एपिसोड का एक सीजन है बिकॉज
It's like basically
it's
continuation.
actually continuing from the last scene. So for me personally I was very scared of that scene only because we went back to the same place and we shot the same scene with same clothes and same look. That's where I feel कि Jogi is still not Riya's ex, but what we've tried to I think start with is कि क्या ये इसको छोड़ देगी and she'll do the same thing that she's been doing because of which she came to Jogi also.
Okay.
I don't think so अभी तक तो
No.
ये बहुत
I didn't come
complicated
to
कर दिया
Jogi
पूरा
because-
करण ने
नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ जैसे अर्फ
काफी
जैसे
ज्यादा
अर्फ
complicated भी नहीं
अर्फ
होगा
is
वो.
not your ex
हाँ,
but you had a
उसके साथ तो
scene
कुछ- हाँ, एक one-
you had a scene but now you will never go back to Arf because if you go back
You
to
know, I'm
Arf
happy because
it will be called going back to
neither
ex.
am I the ex.
हाँ,
Whether or not am I the, I don't know who I am. You don't know who I am. Watch to know more.
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ शो ही देखो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा ये कौन
But I
X,
have
Y,
to-
Z सब
No,
दिखा
I
देना है.
really have to ask. Like, would you prefer going back to your exes?
depends
Depends. For you?
depends ना मतलब कि why did you break up if you fucked up you want to go back to your ex sorry baby
तुम ही मेरा नहीं होगा.
गलती हो गई
अगली बार नहीं
Manvi,
होगा.
would you said like of course.
No,
like,
I don't know. I said I don't think I'd go
हाँ.
back to my ex because if it's ended for a reason and there's no reason to go back. But what may happen or whatever, especially if you've ended on a good note, like you know it's been mutual and relatively not messy or whatever, then you might just like
Yeah.
there's
saturation
nothing
level.
left.
Saturation level of relationship and then you like really wonder चलो जाने
हाँ
दो.
तो इससे पहले कि one of you do something then you're like might as well
One of you
उससे
act
पहले
like psychos rather than.
yeah
हाँ or like just step you know like whatever do something you might regret later or wasn't necessary or something तो but I'm saying कभी-कभी क्या होता है like when you're very good friends with your ex you might have a moment or whatever but it's not I don't think it's ever going back as such so yeah.
Yeah.
What about you, Ritvik?
I mean, in an ideal case scenario, the answer is absolutely no. Is because rightly said, agar if there is something that's run its course, it is run its course for a reason, and you take the wonderful learnings out of it and move ahead. But also, this choice is very subjective. And you can't, मतलब a person can't be like कि नहीं ऐसा तो होगा ही नहीं जीवन में, correct?
या
It's
होना ही
so
चाहिए.
होना ही चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए is because again we're right now talking about a possibility in the future. would you is a very futuristic question.
Exactly.
My point is, would I even live tomorrow morning? I don't know.
That's true.
So in this moment, the practical answer is no.
Especially the
But-
lane that you're talking in, you
Yeah,
might not.
we don't even know.
The lane is
The lane we're in is a bloody lane.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Bloody, like, focus on that. But yeah, that's true. It's very subjective. And guys, shut up, man.
जब ये बोल रहा था तू भी तो बात कर रहा था यहाँ पे।
रात में आई थिंक एक WhatsApp ग्रुप कॉल होने वाला है where we are going to discuss the lane for sure.
But करेंगे
The lane, yeah.
Yeah.
No,
What's
no,
up?
I don't think I ever want to discuss this lane. Get
No,
out
no,
of
no.
here and run.
We want to run out of this lane.
Yeah.
Has there been an occasion where you have been confused in choosing the partners? Like, you know, you had two choices, you know, right in front of you. एक convince कर रहा है, एक के साथ में है कहीं ना कहीं दिल, and second में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ है, you know, some गड़बड़ is happening.
But it wasn't confusion.
It's not confusion, but you feel like, you know, you have some feelings, say, for him also, and then you have feelings for him also, because with
Wait.
him you share a
Jogi.
proper, yeah, jogi basically, yeah, proper, like, you know, kind of feeling, like love, you know, understanding his
Yeah, I
past
think
and all
it's
that.
possible, and yeah, it has happened also. And I remember being like, why doesn't the world allow you to be in love with two people or whatever, to my friends, and you know, whatever. And I realized that, I mean, yeah, like, and I got over one of them, or maybe both. I don't even remember who those people. I remember this feeling though. I remember calling my friend and saying, "But what is wrong with love? Why can't we? Like, that just means I have that much love to give." And you know, and she's like, "Manvi, shut up! Don't
It's-
justify
yeah.
this." Or
I think it's the
whatever."
most ridiculous idea of all when someone can say I can be in love with two people. I personally it's a bullshit idea. It can never happen.
Can never happen.
There's something definitely wrong with your system up here and here, everywhere.
True.
You can't love two people at the same time. It's meant to be. I mean, also because I perceive you know, love and relationship and monogamy in a certain way. Probably that's why. But how can I feel this same feeling for this one also and this one also? मतलब ये दो है और equal कोई तीसरा है कि तो I'll feel this one for this also.
But I'm
मतलब,
talking when
cannot
I was
happen.
in like college.
No, but I
type,
think like
yeah.
even today, like I feel, yes, when you're in a relationship, you might not be able to love two people similarly. But in current times, when sometimes we don't commit to one person, but we're there, but we're not giving it a name, I think half the time you tend to fall for different kind of people or cling on to different kind of people for one reason,
you're not getting that affection from that
because
person.
it's like मैंने आपके साथ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया, आपको लग रहा है कि मैं आपके साथ हूँ. I have just not given it a name, but everyone knows that I'm seeing you or I'm dating you or whatever. But at the same time, I've had a fight with you, and now I'm outpouring my feelings to another woman who becomes my crying shoulder, and suddenly she becomes the best girl, or you know, vice versa when a girl does that. And I feel sometimes we take that to being, oh, I love this person also and I love this person also, and you don't want to let go of two people. But when you are in a relationship or you're in a commitment, वो प्यार नहीं होगा, फिर वो लस्ट ही है.
Correct.
दूसरी चीज.
And I think what he just said, just to add to that, so commitment is actually the key.
Yeah.
When you tell yourself
Yeah.
that I commit myself to this person, I will love this person in spite of and not because of. Like no matter what it is, in spite of, no matter if this person is good, bad, ugly, whatever it is, I am going to love this person is because I've committed myself to love this person. Up until the time this falls out for whatever stupid reason that it does.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna be there. And when that happens, and I think this generally does happen with men, and because I know him also very closely, so I know this happens with us, that if we've given our commitment to a particular person, then it's not gonna waver at all. And
हाँ,
But
मतलब
he's actually spoken about hookup culture also, you know, even in the last
Yeah, but like
conversation.
for
you know, that is kind of eating up a lot of,
but
you know,
that's what
normal
is,
relationships.
but वही
I
तो
feel.
I think वो क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा हो गया ना, तो लोगों को लग रहा है it is कि मैं क्यों नहीं प्यार कर सकता दोनों
Plus,
को
don't you
से.
feel also that easy to move on? ये बहुत ज़्यादा यानी अब trend में काफी
वो
चल
I think personal, मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो person to person है. Like I feel I can move on fast. Doesn't mean I don't cry or I don't do my taam jam. But once I do that, then it's like
Then it's out of your
out of
system,
my
yeah.
system only.
Yeah.
तो जब तक वो मेरे सिस्टम में रहेगा तब तक मेरे को 10,000 लोग भी आके बोल देंगे तब भी मैं नहीं सुधरूंगा. जिस दिन मुझे खुद सुधरना होगा मैं कर लूंगा. एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज एक्सेस इतना इजी हो गया है ना कि हम सबसे पहले, हम माने ना माने, हमारी लस्ट आंखों से ही शुरू हो रही है ना सबसे पहले, और हम उसको प्यार बोल देते हैं कि अरे यार व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, मैं तो इसी के साथ रहूँगा. ऑल्सो अनदर थिंग दैट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इज आई थिंक वी आर इन अ टाइम स्पैन वेयर द चेस कल्चर हैज बिकम वे टू डोमिनेंट, कि जब तक मैं इसको चेज कर रहा हूँ ना मुझे मजा आ रहा है, जिस दिन ये हाँ बोल देती है ना मेरा मजा खत्म हो जाता है.
Yeah.
तो मुझे ना चेज की आदत, लोगों को चेज की आदत पड़ गई है कि वो जो डायलॉग नहीं है कि जो हमें चाहिए उसे हम नहीं चाहिए, और जिसे हम चाहिए वो किसको चाहिए. मतलब हमें तो आई फील वो वाला जो जोन बन गया, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई दिस एंटायर सिनेरियो हैज बिकम लाइक दैट.
No, but I think they're two different things. Like ये जो बोल रहा है ना, this chase culture thing, this I think is a personality thing, and I think ये most humans have this. It's a dopamine rush we are looking for.
It's like
जिसलिए-
also one zid, you know, that stubbornness of just wanting to get that person. And the
नहीं,
moment
it's
you
but
have it,
उसका
then
जो
you...
the root cause is the dopamine hit. Like हमको वो sense of achievement मिलता है उससे, एक sense of conquest है. और मतलब I don't mean it in a derogatory
Yeah.
way, but एक sense of कि ओ अरे एक खुशी मिलती है, यू नो, लाइक जैसे आप गेम खेलते हुए जब आपको नेक्स्ट लेवल पे आप जाते हो, वो उसी का मैक्रो लेवल अगर देखा जाए तो वो एक आई थिंक वी एंड यू विल आल्सो नोटिस इट्स मोर एक्टिव व्हेन यू डोंट हैव वर्क, योर माइंड इज नॉट ऑक्यूपाइड, यू नो. अगर आपकी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, आपका ध्यान वहाँ पे है, बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर यू आर गेटिंग योर डोपामिन रश फ्रॉम, दैट्स वेयर यू गेटिंग योर सेंस ऑफ ड्रामा फ्रॉम.
Correct.
जो hookup culture or moving on and all, I think, I don't, not about hookup culture, but I think this moving on thing, I think it's a good thing if people are being able to move on. अगर लेकिन आप हमको लग रहा है कि अब लव से मूव ऑन जल्दी हो रहा है, वो शायद लव नहीं था, वो कभी भी लव नहीं था, वो अब हम वी मिसरेड इट. इनफैक्ट दिस ऑफन हैपन्स with straight heteronormative relationships ki you know, boy and girl, and sometimes we misread the thing as love because there is chemistry, there will be chemistry, right? And when we think that it's love, but it's actually just lust, but once you get over that, then you realize ki we're just great friends, like there was never anything there. So and that we tend to read as love, and we get into we rush into a
Or even
relationship
adat,
and then
you know, the adat of being together
Yeah,
also
वो पे
is
habit बन जाती है,
habit,
correct.
एक habit.
because
You're
sometimes
so
you
habitual
miss
to that person actually.
you miss being around that person a certain way. Like it's like if I now bump into one of my exes, I've only been a certain way around her.
yeah,
Yeah.
as a boyfriend.
तो मुझे अब समझ ही नहीं आता कि
How
तो,
else to be?
कि तो
It gets awkward.
So when I'm like hi, it's automatically becoming awkward because there is no other way. The other way is holding you,
Yeah, correct.
and I feel that's person to person. वो धीरे धीरे ही जाता है, and जिसका जाएगा जाएगा.
You know,
जिसका नहीं
my
जाएगा.
idea about this whole thing is ये जो hookup culture की आपने बात की ना, this is a very deep rooted problem, and I'll tell you how. According to me, ये जो this idea that's been fed into this generation that oh, you're self-sufficient, or you can live your life in solitude, oh तुम अकेले बहुत खुश रह सकते हो, correct? To a certain extent, to be the person who you are truly, of course your solitude is important, but I think we as human beings we're social beings, so we constantly need to be you know in any sort of companionship, friendship या फिर हमारे relationships में. But ये इतना ज़्यादा feed किया गया है कि यार it's absolutely okay if you don't have anybody, you know, you're completely
That self-love.
that self, I mean,
Yeah.
toxic self-love.
Toxic
I'm saying it's very
self-love, yeah.
important. It's very, very important to love yourself and be 100% of who you truly are. But this hookup culture is why does it actually happen? Is because when you, most people, when they, you know, sort of get into an intimate relationship, at some place in their head, they would be like, we wish something happens. This mostly happens with women a lot, lesser with men. But they were like, okay, something else matters. So the idea of that is that they wish for this to flourish into something. But because this is fed so hard that it's absolutely all right if it doesn't exist, you have 100 other options. If it doesn't exist, you're okay, sufficient. So if that breaks and if that you know, that rosy world shatters in that moment, nobody wants to work on it. Nobody wants to be like, okay, to make relationship is work. It requires working every single day. You have to choose the person every single day. But here, you are like, you're fed the idea that why do you choose? This person's done this or this person's this way, not good, not bad. Why do you choose the person? Just choose somebody else. Because there are so many options available.
True.
So and that is what is really screwing up with the heads of this entire generation, is because we don't know, should we actually choose the same person or should we actually work? And इस सारे इसमें ना हमारे इर्द गिर्द इतने सारे लोग होते हैं, we completely forget where are we, because we're lacking ourselves, we're so flawed. We have so many, there are patterns that we are constantly sort of getting trapped in, is why we sort of always end up, you know, हम हर बार कितने लोगों को सुनते हैं यार मेरे साथ हमेशा यही होता है, हमेशा यही क्यों होता है मेरे साथ, is because problem is not there, the problem is here. तो इस बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं करेगा, यार दोस्त बोलते कोई बात नहीं, चला गया ना, चली गई ना, तो टेंशन नहीं, जीवन अपना बढ़िया है. Why? Understand the root cause of what the problem is. That's exactly where this entire hookup culture has become like a fad, and it's become like मिल रहा है आसानी से, तो फिर क्यों मेहनत करें?
It's made
But
so yeah,
sorry,
basically.
but sorry, I just want to retort to one of the things. Like, firstly, why are we justifying hookup culture? I don't think there's anything wrong with hookup culture as long as everything is consensual, as long as it's happening.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm saying it's fine.
No, it's not
but
about
you
the
know-
consensual
No,
level of it.
No,
It's about
I'm saying as long
easy
as
to keep
Wha-
on
wha-
getting options only.
What is the
back to
problem
back.
with that? Tell me.
There's no problem.
No,
as
no,
such,
no,
but
but
it
you
can
know
lead to
what's
a lot of
happening is a lot of
Tell me,
people
no, no,
are
wait,
using.
vulnerable, situations. I'm sure. Like
Like
after
how?
a point, you would feel like, what am I doing with
So
my
then
life?
they'll get out of the hookup situation. Then they'll get into a relationship. I mean, why are we discussing like it's like the world hunger will be solved by this, like hookup culture? It's many things, na. Like I'm saying, it's as long as people are making their own decisions, they're happy and they're taking accountability of their own decisions. What's the
क्योंकि
problem?
पहले भी होता था. I think क्या हो गया है, it's like the problem lies where when people talk about being in relationships and are yet doing the same
that's
things
not the-
and
so-
justifying their mistakes as कि यार वो अच्छी नहीं थी या वो
Exactly.
अच्छा नहीं
Yeah.
था.
वो तो
The
पहले
blame-
भी
the-
मतलब
the
people
blame
had
game
affairs.
नहीं
extra-
पहले also क्या
extra
होता था ना
marital.
कि also I think I don't know about smaller cities but I think your metros initially the hookup, like when I was very new to Bombay, I remember the 20s us were all about कि यार I don't want to commit, but the 30s I used to meet were mostly married or were you know कि अरे तुम बच्चे हो. अब आई थिंक वो जो पैरामीटर है ना वो आई थिंक 30s में भी आ गया है, 40s में भी आ गया है, और वो पैरामीटर वो ये हो गया कि
50s में भी
ठीक
आ
है
गया,
ना
to be honest,
कि
yeah.
मतलब अगर if you are okay with that culture, fair, but don't make it as an excuse to do
For your
your
bad
debaucheries.
behavior, yeah.
Exactly.
हाँ,
That's
don't
the
use
thing.
it. वो तो
Yeah.
I don't think anybody does. I don't think.
नहीं नहीं.
Oh,
I think we
lady.
should talk
अरे
about
दीदी, अरे दीदी.
No, I don't think people use
गौरी
hookup culture as.
गौरी. अरे तू बड़ी स्वीट लड़की है.
But
बताइए.
coming to this conversation, as we talk about the show also, we see that, how the parents are also kind of getting, occupied with what she wants, in her choices. They are also getting disturbed with what
Invested,
she's
yeah.
doing, invested, whether she wants marriage, she doesn't want marriage, what she's doing with her life. That is what exactly the trader also talks about.
Yeah.
If you could highlight something on that, don't you feel that, while we are discussing all these kind of cultures, the parents come with a different, entire generation. They only feel that, okay, this person has to be committed to this person for the entire life. And then, there comes all these twists and all, which they are not ready, which again, is like a different kind of a culture for them. They are not willing to accept the cancel culture, the different terms,
Whatever,
what we
yeah.
have come to, What do you have to say on that?
So I think firstly parents after a certain age should let their kids be, like let them make their own mistakes, let them live their life. Of course it's easier said than done. हम तो ये बचपन से बोलते आ रहे हैं, forget as adults, we तो कब से we're like आपको क्या पड़ी है, I'm doing my own thing or whatever. But of course parents can't do that, and it comes out of love only, it's not anything else. But so that's number one. Second, I feel it's very important to tell you have to communicate with your parents, because कोई भी to expect them to understand is not correct. Just like for them to expect you to understand is not right. Like any two people, no matter what relationship you have, you will have to communicate and you will have to articulate your thoughts. You cannot expect the other person to read your mind. So similarly, आप parents को बताओ, उनके साथ लेके चलो ना. Like we are all, I'm saying, a 20-year-old 20 years back is different from a 20-year-old now. Is different from a 20-year-old from 20 years from now.
Correct.
So that will always change, and there will, you can call it generation gap, you can call it whatever, but there will always be a certain, we want that, we want the new generation to come with new ideas. Then let's debate on it. ये क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा है, ये वो कुछ अच्छी चीजें रखो, बुरी चीजें you discard them off and all that. So I think talking is the only way. You have to communicate and you have to keep an open mind. Both the part, like parent and the child, has to have an
And I
open
think
mind.
we'll have to do that for our parents.
Yeah.
Because if we are evolving, our evolution it might just be a little easier, and
But if
their
you
evolution
see-
will be a little difficult. So you will have to like sit them down and
But
make them
our
understand.
parents' generation is actually the most versatile. Like, look at them. Like,
They're very
they've
sorted,
seen
I
from.
feel. Yeah.
Dude, that I don't know if they're sorted or not, but I'm
No
saying
TV
they're just,
till today.
from radio to TV to color TV to satellite TV to digital to phone to this. That, I mean, and they're still like they're able to do. My dad has started
like
using
मुझे अब समझ आया,
ChatGPT.
मैं ना मेरे मम्मा पे बड़ा अजीब मेरे को होता था, आप ये एक एक करके क्यों मैसेज लिखते हो? And I realized that यार maybe you've reached to understand टक 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 टक, they have not reached there. So whatever is comfortable in that space, they will be only जैसे हम हमेशा बोलते हैं मम्मा फोन ले लिया उठाते तो हो नहीं.
Correct. Yeah.
एंड शीज लाइक नहीं सुनाई देता यार क्योंकि 24 घंटे फोन अपने पास नहीं रखती.
और
And plus,
हमको
they are like
और हमें
understanding, you know, social
हमें
media
कि
is
जेब
so
में रहना
different.
चाहिए फोन.
Yeah. They take it serious. Like, you know, if my mom is seeing a reel, you know, and then I'm like, no, it's a joke. No.
Yeah.
You know, to make them explain that also become like, yeah, you must be also
No,
doing
but
this. I'm like,
we are-
nahi, kahan par hum pe
One really
time
beautiful
changes.
realization I had, beautiful, you tell me if you think so too, because I thought, जैसे हम, so my mom would all, like she has all these, you know, relatives का groups, friends, family friends group, WhatsApp पे ये वो, तो she would always put pictures, अच्छा, like my nickname is Chinky, so she'll be like, Chinky वो भेजो ना वो वाली photo ये वाली, and I'm like, हाँ भेजते हो ना यार क्या हो गया, and I used to get very irritated कि सारी photos क्यों आपको उस group पे डालनी है, then I realized that that's their Instagram.
Yeah.
You know, like because they are not they have Instagram accounts, but they're not active.
Yes.
Private है, कुछ 5-6 लोग ही है उनके. But that's their Instagram. They'll send it to on their WhatsApp group, and वहाँ पे 10 लोग कुछ बोलेंगे. You know, someone will like, oh, you know, you're looking so nice, or you know, you're looking, oh, love your sari, or love your bag, or how are the whatever. Then there's you know, comments and you know whatever. So then I was like, yeah, actually that's their
That's really
Instagram.
sweet.
So like you know,
But
by
to
sorry.
bring this back to the show, I mean your question, your
My
question
question
was very,
like
very
where the
apt.
parents are suffering actually
Very
because
apt.
of the receiving end of what the
And-
daughter is up to.
Yeah, and
So, yeah,
parents,
oh.
Yeah.
so parents, I feel in a situation where marriage for their kids is concerned, see, they come from an understanding of life being structured in a way कि हम इतनी उम्र पे बड़े होंगे, इस उम्र में हमारी शादी होगी, इस उम्र में हमारे बच्चे होंगे और इसके यही सही जीवन है. Because that's been their exposure. At least I can talk about my parents. कि that's been their exposure of what right life should be like.
True.
And for them, anything outside of that, because they've never experienced it, so they don't know कि that also could be a possibility, that you could wait for the right person to walk into your life and you don't really have to settle down for something that you may not know or may not be okay with. But for them ये सब था ही नहीं, मम्मी पापा ने तो एक दूसरे को देखा भी नहीं वैसा फोटो में देख के कि हाँ कर दिया. So for them this idea was कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. तो till date, like my parents will often come to me saying कि शादी कर ले, खुश रहेगा, शादी कर ले, उसी में भलाई है. और मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा. मैं बोला कैसे, मुझे बताओ इसका रीजन क्या. तो अब नाउ ना वाही बिल्कुल सही कह रहा था कि हमें आई हैव टू सिट देम डाउन टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट द वर्ल्ड 20 years ago to the world that is today and to the world that is going to be from 20 years from now is going to be so different. तो उनको वो बैठ के समझाना पड़ता है कि यार अब वो लाइफ नहीं रही. So वो जो कश्मकश है, that's exactly what Riya is going through.
Yeah.
Is because she also wants to get married and you know, but the family is pretty much like any of our families. जो
Yeah.
हमको बोल रही है कि क्यों नहीं कर रही शादी. इनफैक्ट अपने तो फैमिली में बुआ है यार जो शादियां करवा रही है सबकी. So it's even more easier. फिर भी क्यों शादी नहीं हो रही है. But ये जो
Especially when she's seeing like
When
two
she's-
candidates,
मिठाई वाला
you
अपनी
know,
मिठाई
there is
नहीं
this
खाता
one-
तो
So the idea is this is why does the show become so relatable is because this is a problem that I feel a majority of people currently are facing, and they're also like, what should we do? Because we're not finding our person. Is it going to be love? Is it going to be arranged? Or arranged marriages are looked down upon, to be very honest.
Yes,
For some reason, the way they've been splattered around कि यार वो तो arranged marriage देखा भी नहीं कैसे हो गई, आगे चल के कुछ भी हो सकता है. But that's not true.
Yeah.
Because I have seen arranged marriages that have worked brilliantly. I've also seen love marriages that have not. So it's got nothing to do with the setup or the arrangement. It's actually got to do with two people.
And here
So-
comes the very important question to both of you. शादी कब कर रहे हो?
ना कसम.
बट
अरे वो मम्मी कैसी हो?
हो ही जाएगी.
बुआ जी आप बड़ी
हो ही
different
जाएगी
लग रही
अब
हैं
तो.
आज।
आज बुआ बड़ी
यार
different.
इसका
No, but I'm sure
यार
that now-
इसका ना जवाब मैं बताऊं
But you may have realized कि ये question अब कम हो गया होगा आप
अब
लोगों
नहीं
को.
होता.
अब नहीं होता है,
पहले
yeah.
ना मतलब ये अब एक्चुअली मॉम डैड के अलावा सबसे होता है. पहले मॉम डैड के साथ बहुत होता था ये. फिर I had a conversation, I had a round table conversation.
Yeah.
अब ये सवाल नहीं आता है. अब ये सवाल आता है कि बेटा मतलब we've told you what our thought is. Now it is your life. हम जबरदस्ती तो तेरे को डालेंगे नहीं,
Yeah.
you know, फेरे कराने के लिए. तो
हवन कुंड में.
हाँ कि करनी है तो कर लो, क्योंकि ये प्रोज है और ये कॉन्स है. तो मैं
बाकी
अभी
आपकी मर्जी,
हाँ,
हाँ.
जैसे मैं अभी पुराने एक इससे पहले इंटरव्यू में ही बोला था कि मुझे बोला गया था कि मतलब जब आपका बच्चा होगा तो होप करना कि आप फादर ही हो, आप उसके ग्रैंडफादर ना बन जाओ. क्योंकि yes, you want to enjoy your life. We also enjoyed our life, but we had this thing that we had to take care of you. You will eventually take care of someone. So just get married at a time when you can enjoy your life also. या पता चले दो बुड्ढे बैठे हुए हैं काउच पे और शादी करके मतलब you're not even enjoying your life. So I feel ये लोगों से कम हो गया है, but I think ये अब अपने में ज़्यादा आ गया है कि करनी है. पहले खुद में ही नहीं होता था कि नहीं, पहले होता था देखी जाएगी.
क्यों करनी है शादी?
हाँ कि क्यों कर,
मन
क्या ही बदल
करेगा तो
जाएगा.
कर लेंगे. हाँ.
जैसे मेरे डैड ने तो बोला हुआ एक बार ना डिबेट हुआ था कि कर ले, तो उन्होंने 6-7 चीजें बोली. फिर मैंने उनको 6-7 काउंटर दिए. फिर वो कह रहे यार तू ही क्यों खुश रहे.
So तो आप ही बोल रहे हैं.
बॉदर क्या कर रहा है पता चल चुका है actually.
कह रहे मतलब जब मन करता है दोस्तों के साथ घूमने चला जाता है, जब मन करता है फिल्म देखने चला जाता है. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, पूछना पड़ेगा घर पे. अच्छा तो
वहाँ से आ
In the trailer also I saw this one thing where you have been said like baggage कब तक का रहेगा, you know, which is the baggage of the
Baggage तो
past.
सबका होता है. हाँ.
Basically, yeah, the baggage of the
so
past
late
versus the baggage of the present. No, not baggage, but the person trying to like, kind of convince you. How difficult has been to all three to let go of the baggages, you know?
In
Like,
real life?
In real life also, like, do you recollect sometimes it becomes a trauma kind of a situation?
I think as I'm growing older, it's getting difficult to let go of baggages because I feel I probably feel with time I've had more meaningful relationships. Like वो बचपन का ना अब रियलाइज होता है कि वो थोड़ा सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे भी होता है ना उस टाइम पे. सो आई फील एज आई एम ग्रोइंग ओल्डर it's difficult to let go even when I do. But like as when I was younger, I would just move on like this. Now I'll do my crying shrine for a day or two, then I'll let go. पहले तो रोना वोना भी नहीं होता था हमारा.
What about you? Like a
मेरा
first-
उल्टा है actually because when I was younger or growing up or whatever, I still am inherently a very emotional person, but I used to take things very personally and you know like whatever. Like be upset. It used to like overthink. I used to overthink. It used to be in my head like and body for years or whatever. Not years, months. But now, like as I think in the last few years, I've become very like. ठीक है ना यार सब कर मतलब like I know what I feel for a person. Like you know this happens in a lot. I think through I've learned this through adult friendships because a lot of my friends I'm not on a daily like basis touch with. But they mean so much to me. So, and I used to initially feel like, यार ये मतलब why am I making the effort? Why are they? Do they not value me enough? But then I realized that their love language is different, right? Like I'm like okay, when I meet them, how do I feel? I feel good. I still don't feel like they're not like you know there's something has changed. तो क्यों मैं इतना सोच रही हूँ? ठीक है ना सब busy है अपनी life में, मैं भी busy. मैं भी तो तभी phone करती हूँ ना when I'm free.
Correct.
So it's not like I'm also calling them when I'm in the middle of a busy week or whatever. So like it's fine. So abhi mera like I'm much easier in terms of like yeah everybody
go of the
do
baggage
your
is
thing.
yeah.
I talk like I'm a very when it comes to my emotions I prefer talking about it. So करो बात करो and you realize that it becomes you feel lighter. The thing that like becomes so big in your head वो कम छोटी हो जाती है.
What about you?
Well, for me, very honestly, it's extremely difficult to let go.
Yeah.
Like I, as a human being, I find it extremely
What is you're a
challenging.
Scorpio?
I'm a Scorpion, but imagine I am.
Yeah, Scorpion in fact.
Yeah, they cut off like
Cut off like how?
I mean, but that has to have with something that has been probably. That trait is there too. I'm a Scorpion, where someone has done me wrong.
अच्छा,
The
that's
grey
what you're
side
saying
of
कि
you
you need a
basically, yeah,
reason
the
for
grey
something.
shade.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my point is for me to and that cut off immediately, that happens so organically that it never bothers. Like I've done that with people as well. But when you said baggage, and I know right now we're talking about the show and about the baggage
Where you're
that
not
comes.
the baggage actually, but you're trying to be the one getting
Yeah.
added in the baggage.
So right now that we're talking,
You're in the cart.
I'm
right
in the
now.
cart.
Yeah.
So right now we're talking about baggage romantically. So for me, it's always been very, very difficult to sort of let go, and I really want to. Like I try every single day that to sort of start off and then let the baggage go. But well, I'm built this way, and I can't really help it. That letting go is so difficult. And पहले मैं ना इस बात पहले I used to be really hard on myself कि why can't, and now I've accepted कि okay, this is a part of me that takes, let it take its time. Like if it takes its time, let it take its time. I'm not going to be too hard on myself. And such extreme inside of me, like I love with such extremity that for me then automatically letting go becomes almost like cutting myself open, and I can't. And I'm right now I'm in a phase where I want to sort of work on how to not let this baggage bleed on the next person who's going to walk into my life. So that's where
Cover your wound.
I'm going
let
to
it
cover.
Heal.
Yeah.
Or send her to me.
Oh, send the wound to him actually. That is what he's trying to do.
अरे wound किसको चाहिए? अपने को पूरा product चाहिए.
But lovely chatting with all of you and knowing
How
the
was this
relationships.
therapy session for
Of
you?
course, a very good therapy session. I'm
like
liking
it?
that.
Okay.
No, now I'm getting confused. Like, where what should I get into?
You're welcome. Now watch our show.
Please watch, guys. We've been here not for this, but we are here to tell you guys that our show is coming on the 15th of November on.
And guys, रुक जाओ, हमने जो भी बोला ना, please don't listen to that. जो मन में आए करो. अपने don't hurt anyone, don't hurt yourself, don't hurt your friends and family. बाकी enjoy.
Enjoy.
I
Yeah.
enjoy.
And watch our show Half Love Half
I
Marriage
always say this
season
dialogue
2.
to everyone. Enjoy. Jao.
Enjoy.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
just have fun.
Oh.
And if someone is falling for him, he still has the wound.
Come here. यहाँ से bounce होके यार.
Lovely chatting.
अपना
with all
फायदा
of
होना
you.
चाहिए.
हाँ.